Hi everyone, I'm Haru. For today's makeup I created a holiday look in red, gold and white, which you can wear for Christmas or a New Year party. Let's begin! But first, Hazy wants to tell you to follow the Instagram account of my 3 cats. Now let's move on to the makeup. I start with preparing my skin with a primer. This one has a skin brightening effect and feels weightless compared to other primers. Since this primer is very gentle to the skin, you can put it all over your face. I directly move on to putting on concealer. I use different concealers depending on the areas of my skin. This one from Maybelline doesn't cause crease in the wrinkly areas around my eyes and mouth. I use this camouflage for a better coverage on my imperfections and to highlight my waterline. The last concealer I use is a pot concealer with high coverage. You can see that using different concealers is the key to a nice base for the rest of the makeup. I'll be moving on to foundation next. This one from Pony Effect feels seamless and hydrating. Avoid areas that can cause creasing, like the under eyes and the laugh lines. Before fixing my makeup, I put this blush onto the areas under my eyes and onto the cheekbone. This makes them look cute and healthy. This blush is oil infused, so it doesn't dry out the skin, which is important in winter. Now I use powder to lock in my makeup. This powder from Skin Food has been my favorite so far. It's perfect for the under eye wrinkles, because it's very fine and doesn't cause a crease. I'm going to contour my features now. I use a brown shade and a soft brush to contour my nose and my eyes. I use a highlighter on the center of the nose, my cheeks and my chin next. Moving on to eyeshadow, I first put a red shade on my upper eyelid and on the edge of the under eyelid too. Then I use this darker shade to blend out the edge of the red shade. Now I use this golden shade to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Then I use a pencil liner in the shade of red and brown. First I draw a wing on the upper eyelid. Then I only line the outer corner of the under eyelid and connect it with the upper wing. I blend out the underline with a brush. Next I use an eyeshadow primer on the center of my under eyelid to make the glitter hold on. I take a lash curler to curl my lashes. And put on a mascara in a brown shade. Today I'm gonna wear falsies to create a more dramatic look. Cut them to the right length and put on the glue. Then let it dry for a few seconds and put them on. Now let's move on to the lips. First, line your lips. I like to line the bright edges of my lips to make them look big and soft. Then I put on a lip crayon in a powerful red shade on the center of the lips and blend it with a brush. I use a golden glitter lip gloss on top of it. We're almost done, but I wanted to highlight my makeup with this awesome glitter highlighter. Once all that is done, today's look is complete.